Today's video is very important for all those who applied for the Antino Labs Freshers Drive 2025. So many candidates have started receiving shortlisted mail. If you also got shortlisted, what you should do next? I will explain everything clearly in this video. So don't skip this video. Let's start in. So first of all, we have got the mail. So congratulations to all who received it shortlisted mail. You have successfully cleared the first step. Now you have to wait for the next mail from the Antino Lab HR team. And basically that mail will contain your assessment text link only. And next instructions will be there according to the mail. So it may take little time for them to send the next mail because they are shortlisting batch by batch. Meanwhile, start your preparation seriously. Prepare aptitude, logical reasoning, and coding. If you're from your technical background, start from basic coding. Even if you started by now, and it will helpful when they send the mail. So start prepare now itself. It's better for you to shortlist. And one more thing I want to share with you that most probably the assessment will be online, either online or maybe offline. And freshers, whoever the freshers are be, and most probably they will choose the online only. And quantitative aptitude, it may be an exam like assessment link. The assessment link contains the quantitative aptitude, or maybe a logical reasoning, or maybe a coding challenge will be there. So keep in your mind, don't forget this, and mainly prepare for these and start preparation from now onwards. So start practicing now so that you are fully ready when you receive the test link. And the next thing I want to share with you that if you have not received the mail, don't worry. Mail will send happening slowly because keep checking your inbox, spam, and promotion folders regularly. By that, you can get the mail. So if you did not get the mail, so don't worry about that because they are shortlisting so slowly. And also whoever got the shortlisted mail, it may time and takes the time for getting the assessment link. So don't worry about that. So meanwhile, you have to prepare for the what I said before. Prepare for that and start practicing yourself, and it will helpful while getting the mail. And here I'm showing that one of the mail who was shortlisted. I think you also get this mail only. Application for the job Freshers Drive 2025 has been reviewed by our team, and we are very happy to let you know that you have been shortlisted for the next round. Our HR representative will send you the next step shortly. And thank you for your patience. And most probably the students getting this mail only. We have the shortlisted this mail getting. So meanwhile, what I said before, start practicing now onwards. It may take the time for getting the assessment link, and whoever not getting the mail, so don't worry and don't bother about that. And mail sending is happening slowly, and keep checking your inbox and spam. And one more thing is a little time for them to send the next mail because they are shortlisting batch by batch they are taking. Most probably it takes the time. So don't bother about that. One thing I should give the tip, one whatever you submitted in the resume, whatever you share the resume while applying. So be ready with that, be prepared for that. Even like what they will ask in the interview, like that you have to prepare yourself. And the next video I will update you soon what they are asking and what interview they will ask. And the next video will be, I will share. So stay tuned with that. And also keep your CV and documents ready with you and stay updated and prepare well for the exam. And that's it for today update. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our Career Voices. For more updates and comment below if you received shortest mail. And all the best, everyone. So thank you for watching this video.